Let's stir up this Punjabi Pilau in the Instant Pot today. This is a recipe dedicated to one of my generous subscribers, Usma, who sent me this beautiful gift and asked for this recipe. So this one's for you and for the rest of you as well. Here are the ingredients. You'll need 2 pounds of beef, 4 cups of basmati rice, 3 diced onions, 2 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 Shan Punjabi Yakhni Pilau spice mix, ½ teaspoon cumin seeds, 3 cinnamon sticks, 4 bay leaves, 3 black cardamom, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon coriander powder. So let's get started. First, you're going to take your meat, make sure it's washed, and add it to your Instant Pot. Then you're going to add your ginger garlic paste as well as the entire packet of the spice mix. Now, once you add this all together, you just want to add some water, enough water to cover the meat so it cooks well. I'm adding approximately 6 cups. Once you've added your water, just give it a quick stir so the meat, the spice, and the water all mixes together. Now what you're gonna do is take your lid and just put it on top. Make sure your valve is on the sealing position, and you're gonna put it on manual pressure for about 15 minutes. Now this is boneless beef that I'm making. If it was bone-in, I would keep it the same. However, if it was goat or lambs for mutton pilau, I would increase it to 20 minutes. Also, if it was chicken, I would decrease it to about 10 minutes. So here are some tips for you for using other meats. Now just let this cook on its own, and after about 10 to 12 minutes on natural pressure release, just move the valve to venting to release the remaining pressure. Once the red valve at the bottom drops, you know you're ready to open your lid. And here is your meat. Now what we're gonna do is just make sure our meat is cooked. Otherwise, you can cook it a bit longer on saute mode. So we're gonna take our meat, just one piece carefully, use your finger or a fork, and it's perfectly cooked. Now what we're gonna do is we're going to separate the meat from the stock, which is gonna be used later on. So do not get rid of it. So just take 2 pots, use a colander, and just drain the meat. Keep it aside. Now you're gonna take your Instant Pot, clean it, put it on saute mode, adjust it to the more setting, the highest, and we're gonna add our cooking oil. So I'm using about 1/4 cup of canola oil here. Then you're gonna add your onions as well as your cinnamon, your black cardamom, and your bay leaves, and the remaining spices of salt, red chili powder, and coriander powder. And you're gonna just mix this really well. This is just to add extra flavor to the meat, although it's already flavorful. Just a tip that I've learned from my mom. And then what we're gonna do after we stir fry it and the onions are translucent, you are going to take the meat that you drained from the stock and just add it in here. We're gonna fry this meat in the onion, herbs, and spice mix for about 5 to 10 minutes. This all really come together. You can smell all the aromas. Honestly, it tastes so delicious. You just wanna start eating the meat like that. But we're not gonna do that. You're gonna add about 5 cups of measured stock back in there. You don't want it to be too much because you want the perfect rice. So again, I'm adding 5 cups of the stock back in. And once I've added that back, we're gonna just give it a quick stir and add our drained rice. Now this was soaked for 30 minutes, so make sure the water's drained entirely, and then just add the rice in here, give it a quick stir, mix it well together, but be gentle, you don't want to break the rice. Now you're gonna close the lid off your Instant Pot, and you're gonna put it on venting sealing position from venting. Move it because it was venting before, right? And then you're gonna put it on manual pressure for about 6 minutes. 6 minutes is the perfect time that I've calculated for it to cook the rice for me. Let it naturally release pressure. Whatever's remaining, move your valve back to venting. Let the red valve at the back drop. Once it's dropped, you know you're ready to open your Instant Pot and check on your rice. So let's see how it turns out. Wow, that smells so good. I can't wait to taste it. Just give it a quick stir with your spoon. Be gentle not to break the rice. And you just serve this hot, and voila, you're ready to go. Definitely try this out. Here are the ingredient lists for you once again to screenshot, and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Once again, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more easy to follow recipes. Till next time, keep stirring it up.